Here are two simple ways to back up all your WhatsApp data. First, backup chats to the cloud. For this, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the U tab. Here, scroll down slightly and tap on the Chats option. Then select Chat Backup. Tap on Backup Now to manually back up chats. This will take a while depending on the size of the backup. Alternatively, if you tap on Auto Backup, you can set automatic backups like daily, weekly, or monthly. Your chats are stored securely in the cloud and you can restore them anytime. Second, export a specific chat. Inside WhatsApp chat screen, open the chat you want to back up. Now, at the top, click on the contact name. After that, scroll to the bottom and tap on the Export Chat option. Then, you can export it with or without media. Let's attach media. It will take a couple of seconds for WhatsApp to process the data. Next, a bunch of sharing options will appear. Let's save it to the files. After that, choose where you want to save the chat. You can create a new folder to save. Finally, tap on Save from the top right corner. To view the saved chat, go to the Files app and extract the zip file. Inside the extracted folder, you can see media as well as the chat. And that's it.